I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing both Zoom and the sound you want to share. Open the Zoom desktop app and confirm it's updated. Newer versions expose the Share Computer Sound toggle. Next, pick the audio source, a media player, browser tab, or system audio, and set a moderate volume so you can test without blasting participants. Once done, join the meeting and click Share Screen to access the sharing dialog. Make sure you leave the original app visible so you can control playback while sharing. Once you're in the Share Screen dialog, choose the exact window or tab containing the audio. Pick Desktop to share all sound or a Chrome tab for single tab audio. Before you hit Share, check the box labeled Share Computer Sound. This routes system output into the meeting. For clearer fidelity, open Zoom's audio settings and enable original sound for music. This bypasses aggressive compression. Then press Share and start playback in your source app while monitoring participant feedback. To finish, confirm participants can hear the audio and mute your microphone to prevent echo from your speakers. If people can't hear anything, stop sharing and reopen Share Screen, making sure Share Computer Sound remains checked. Then reshare the specific window or tab. If problems persist, check your OS sound output, ensure the app isn't muted, and run Zoom's audio test. On Windows, toggle stereo mix or relevant audio driver. And on Mac, check system preferences sound. That usually fixes driver or routing issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.